Alright, this video, I'm going to be laying down a pool. Now, the plans call out for 16 feet. So, 16 feet is from here to here. As you see, I don't have much room. If I want to get a lawnmower, etc. in here. And I'm talking about a sit-down lawnmower. So, my plan is I'm going to go back more here. I think I'm going to go right up to here. So I already started taking out this stone, which is basically poured cement to form these little slabs here. I'm going to clean all this out of here. Hey, I want to give a special shout out to my pineapple tree, first of all. So I got to clean all this out of here. Remove this. So if I do that, 16 feet is the other way around. It's going to go from here. Okay, so that's where I just showed you that little area to about here. So if I go down this way, took them all out of there. They're laying there. Like I said, I'm going to remove this, clean this all out, and possibly in the future I'll make a door here. That's lanai. So I'll make a door here going right into the pool, possibly with a deck. I don't know. This is going to be one of those above ground pools. I'm not excited about that, but hey, you know what? In this house, it's better than nothing. The yard is not that big. Also, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to dig, I think about maybe 4 inches, 5, 6, I don't know. Alright, so I got good news and bad news. The good news is I thought I was almost done, ready to lay the pool. The bad news is, yep, I measured wrong. So I gotta take all that out still. So shout out to my measuring tape. I shouldn't even blame the measuring tape. I'm lying. I guess I wasn't thinking. See what happens when you work under the sun? It starts fucking with your mind. Here's how I'm looking. It's time to level it. Taking out whatever I see. Definitely a lot of roots, stones, etc. So using this rake first, then I'll go with a finer rake. Alright, I just laid down the pool. Man, I'm out of breath. There's the pump. I wanted to get it in this corner, but pain in the ass is just by itself. I'm sweating like a whore on a kitchen floor, and that is for sure. But enough about that. And onto the pool. The manual says to leave it out for 2 hours under the sun and then assemble it. That way it don't become wrinkled. So today there's gonna be no sun. Getting closer and closer. By the way, I ended up putting that pump hole more this way in an angle. All the legs, all the vertical beams are on the floor. They're laid out. Hey, shout out to that woodpecker in the background. Alright, so now I'm inserting these things here into the sleeves, as you can see. So the next one is here, stops here, and so on. I started there, went all the way around, and I'm up to here. Yeah, fun. So I just inserted all the T's, and now I'm gonna insert the legs. So next shot, you should see it up. I plan on getting rid of this tarp here, backfill all this when it's all done, make it nice, blend it all in, you know the deal. Take a look down there. So 16 feet across. I don't know how many inches this is, but it's up to my bottom of my pec. That's it. Fig tree's looking real good. Check that out. Oh yeah. Alright. Finally done with this bad boy. As you see, that was the door. As you see, a lot of leaves in there, but that's not a problem. Just got to get a skimmer. Working out pretty good. Alright, that is it. Thanks for watching. Until the next one. Cheers. Alright, update. Ended up putting all this rock around the pool. That works out pretty good. That way when it rains, there's no splatter with dirt going up. Oh, I do have evidence of an animal climbing up overnight. So I gotta take care of that, right? Where's my 22? I'm just joking. And there's the pool, up and running. I already cleaned this 4 times, yesterday especially. And check it out. So that's always gonna be an issue. I always gotta keep cleaning the damn thing. It's very warm, it's like bath water out here in Florida. Sun shines all day. And there's the problem, is all these trees right above it. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick install. Actually, it looks quick, but it's not. It's been edited. Guys and gals, have a good one. Cheers.